What drew me into the field of research was a deep understanding that data can change the world.
Data has incredible power. Data can paint pictures of who we are, reveal society's biggest challenges, and help find solutions for them. But a growing number of social scientists want us to know something. Without a diversity of voices, that picture can be incomplete.
The chorus of American democracy is the sum of many, many voices. But all of those voices have unique things to say.
You run into things because you're the first.
I tended to be the only Black kid in the class.
When I walked into a patient's room, be mistaken for the nurse, I would say, "Hi, I'm Dr. Bernard," before they had a chance to make the mistake.
I wanted to study that question. How do we get more people of color into math and science and engineering?
A new season of After the Fact is focusing on the important connection between race and research.
Our data and our research shows that racial bias is not a legacy of our history, but a product of our present.
You'll hear from the people who are working to better understand the role of race and inequities across society, from healthcare to public safety to the economy.
These automated systems being trained on historical data, they are going to encode the historical biases.
When you look at housing problems, criminal justice issues, education woes, we know the precedent and policy that created these problems.
The connection between race and research has always been there, but not always acknowledged or acted on. The past year in this country has illuminated that connection, and we'll talk with researchers who have long been engaged on that subject.
We are challenged as universities to help find common ground that can pull us together.
You can provide equity in the stories that we tell for not only Latinos, but multiracial Americans and Native Americans.
And researchers say we're at a turning point in the national conversation on this subject.
There is extraordinary opportunity to confront the problematic trends that we know exist with a newfound opportunity for change.
Join us for a look at race and research on After the Fact from the Pew Charitable Trusts.